Hello, I am the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the U.S. used aerial lift and telehandler markets at Sandhills Global. New reports covering November data are now available. Today, we will review the latest market reports for used aerial lifts and telehandlers on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels in the U.S. used aerial lift market rose by 1.46% month-over-month and 8.44% year-over-year in November, continuing a 6-month upward trend. The used articulating boom lift segment led the month-over-month inventory increase, while the used rough terrain scissor lift segment led the year-over-year inventory increase. In the U.S. used aerial lift market, asking values have been trending down for 9 consecutive months. Overall, asking prices dipped by 0.29% month-over-month and 3.43% year-over-year. The used slab scissor lift category posted the most notable month-over-month asking price increase, whereas the used rough terrain scissor lift segment had the largest year-over-year asking value decrease. Auction values in the U.S. used aerial lift market were down by 0.9% month-over-month and 5.84% year-over-year, maintaining a downward trend. The used slab scissor lift category saw an increase in auction values month-over-month, while the used telescopic boom lift segment experienced the steepest year-over-year auction value drop. Inventory levels in the U.S. used telehandlers market fell by 1.58% month-over-month, but jumped by 16.46% year-over-year in November, and are trending sideways. In the U.S. used telehandlers market, asking values dipped lower and are trending downwards, decreasing by 0.25% month-over-month, while increasing by 1.4% year-over-year. Auction values in the U.S. used telehandlers market were down by 0.1% month-over-month and down by 2.46% year-over-year, continuing a downward trend. According to sales manager Matt Sterup, well-priced inventory continues to see strong demand from the market and sells quickly. Strong rental utilizations have created a shortage of quality late-model units, as many are being put back into rental fleets and immediately rented out. In conclusion, the used aerial lift market has exhibited continued inventory growth, but asking and auction values tumbled both year-over-year and month-over-month in November. In the used telehandler market, inventory levels jumped year-over-year in November, but decreased month-over-month and are trending sideways, while asking and auction values continue to trend downwards. If you'd like to access the full reports for boom lifts, forklifts, telehandlers, and scissor lifts, go to liftstoday.com and click on Get Market Reports at the top of the page. If you have any questions, please reach out to Matt Sterup at matt-sterup@machinerytrader.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in U.S. used aerial lifts and U.S. used telehandlers markets.